Here's my new space heater. I'm about to open the box. Put the legs together. Here's the legs. In. Put this back in the box. Okay, I'm gonna plug it in. Plug it in. Cord is pretty long. Well, not that long, but and this is the on button. So you got to turn the on button and you got to press the power button. Put it in high heat. Okay, it's kind of warm. Really warm. I can still feel the heat from over here. I feel the heat on my thighs and on my chin. Let's see if I scoot back if I can feel the heat. I feel the heat on the knees. Yeah. Let me see if I scoot back more. Oh, I can still feel the heat on my upper body. It's a good range. And it has a fan. It's kind of warm. It's a little warm, and you can set a timer for an hour, 2 hours, or 3 hours, and it automatically shut off, I believe, in 6 hours.
This is a cute little heater that I got for some 40 bucks. I'm using it to heat a whelping area for my dog. She's having puppies. But I did notice that after running for 4 days, it's already starting to get a burn mark there in the center. I know that's going to get worse. And it's also very, very tiny. It's quite tiny. And I will just run you through the functions real quick. You have high, and this is about how loud it is too at high. I find it to be pretty quiet. It does shut off once it gets to like 234 degrees. And then so you have high, off, fan, low, high, and you can set it to go for 3 hours, 2 hours, or 1 hour. Otherwise, it just continues to go until it gets to 234 degrees, and then it shuts itself off. Venting in back, also you have to turn it on there. I also will show you that it goes off by itself when it tips. So I pick it up like that, and it goes off by itself. The feet screw in. They look like they're wood, but they're actually plastic, which I was disappointed in, but it serves the purpose, and you know, you don't really notice the difference in daily use, but those are my 3 key points. It is very, very small, very, very tiny. It does tend to get this dark mark in front, so like another reviewer said, I would definitely get the black grilled one. I am returning this one for the black grilled one. It's quiet, nice little personal space heater with those caveats.
This is the button that I'm pushing. Doesn't come on. See how far down that goes? And I'm pushing really, really hard. This is the back. I had to take it apart, as you can see. See how it's blinking? It just blinks when I turn it on its back. That's what it's doing. And it has like a shortage sound to it. So that's unsafe. Flip it up. Stops blinking. You can see I had to take it apart in the back. So it's unsafe, poorly made, but it's cute and modern.
It's so quiet. I'm already feeling super warm, even on low. High is slightly louder, but not much. Off. And then also, all I did this morning was I showed my son, look, it has these cute little legs, but it turns off as a safety feature. I love that. So, best heater ever.
Okay, so this is a cute and easy ensemble. As you can see, compared to my hand, it's not that big, but this is really cute. The legs were screw on. I just turned on the thing in the back, so I think that's going to activate it. So let's see. I want to do, for now, 1 hour. Okay, there we go. So you got the fan, you got low, you got high. And then we're going to do 1 hour. Oh, I can already feel it. I can already feel it. So yes, I like it. So far, so good. This is really cute, by the way.
This is my small space heater that I keep underneath my desk here in my office. Has a master on and off switch here on the bottom. Then you can set a timer for 3 to 1 hours. You can have it on high, low, or just on fan mode. It's cute.
It's perfect. It's exactly what she needs.